Reality used to be a friend of mine. Today's short lecture is free. It's about the nature of reality. Humans perceive mainly through their five senses. The information obtained is then decoded by the brain into an experience of existence that we call reality. This reality is not universal, it is personal. Moreover, we are not given a choice about the method of decoding, as it is entirely dependent on our pre-programmed DNA, which sets the rules. Anyone or anything which controls our DNA program controls our perception, effectively controlling our reality. Hence the reason for shadowy people endlessly experimenting and tinkering with the program. In fact, at some point, somebody switched around 97% of our program. They switched it off. In fact, this is known as junk DNA, because this part of the DNA string apparently serves no purpose. Well, the purpose is to dumb us down, of course. A similar effect can be induced by simply watching daytime TV, for example. Anyway, who switched the vast majority of our DNA off? I personally believe it was Dick Hawken. That man will do anything to get attention and to make himself look clever. The next time I meet him, I will be tempted to give him a piece of my mind. A little bit of the 3% I have left. Thank you for your support in this campaign.